Hi and welcome to this free thyroid conversion lecture. This lecture lasts for about 20 minutes and includes all the information you need to know in terms of thyroid hormone conversion and some handy little diagrams to assist you along the way. I'm Carla Gallagher. I'm a naturopath and a yoga teacher, and I've been helping people with their thyroid conditions for some time. I'm also a hypothyroid sufferer myself, so this topic is particularly important to myself. So when you're looking at thyroid diagnosis and treatment options, it can be quite confusing. And I'm a big believer in giving back control by educating my patients a little bit about how hormones convert so that you can become your very own master. Being a master of your own journey is important when you're treating thyroid conditions, but also other medical conditions. Sure, you might need help from a therapist like myself or a doctor along the way to gain access to the pathology that you need. But if you know just as much about what we know, then it means that you can drive the direction, the treatment, and the options that are available to you based on you as a unique person. Sit back and enjoy, and I look forward to telling you a little bit more as we go along.